Okay, do they go fast? Do they run?
They have little feet.
3 best students. Okay, he brought his 2 best students to Wipeout.
Oh my God, it was so crunchy.
Come on, come to Papa!
Who's your corn daddy? Oh, he's not the most subtle invader. Very loud, and the pink kind of stands out.
That was good!
Thanks.
Try again.
Okay, but you need to move back just a skosh. Perfect. Yeah!
Making a run for it. Oh! Hopefully he's prepared for whatever gets thrown at him.
Oh, wow. She had a widow accident.
Whittle, he went down like a big kid.
Oh, whoopsie.
Ballsy. Oh. Investigation.
Oh! Alicia, used to investigating roadkill.
That's hopping to the fail boxes.
Ow! Public squeaking. Oh! Boxes now. Ah! That badger is worse than Sherry Prezioso. Oh, getting spanked like he cut the line in the school cafeteria.
Oh, holy stromboli.
For that hot lunch for hours. He doesn't need to hear that's gross in your mouth, okay? Yeah! Oh, and she's down.
Nobody does it better than Jill.
Water is just wonderful! Get twisted!
John, this is 29-year-old Greg Lozano, and he apparently wants to get twisted.
I think we can arrange that. May I interest you in a flip-flop?
Yeah, we can do that. Attracted by that robot arm like it's a laser pointer.
Oh, man!
Aw.
Sergeant Smallsy's the last line of defense for this juggernaut. Look at him go! No!
Take a look. So close to winning that 500, but Sergeant Smallsy stands his ground.
Go, go, go.
Mr. Twister at it again. Locked up there with diaperless.
Hang on,
Oh,
hang
no!
on.
Is now also shoeless.
That's the shoe.
The shoe is the diaper of the foot, John.
Oh, Mr. Twister unties himself from that knot.
My shoe, my shoe.
What? Now she's holding her other shoe in her hand.
Oh! See which comes first, the chicken sitter or... Oh, the chicken sitter flies the coop
Into the next round.
and handles the victory with dignity.
10-footer, Johnny. And it's shredding him.
Bye-bye!
Oh!
Come on, guys! Come on, guys!
The substitute trying to be a good role model and succeeds. And fails.
The substitute, does not inspire. The photographer looking for a clean ride to the finish. Oh! His shorts are tiny, John, but this leap isn't. No way he's going to shrink from the challenge of ice-cold water.
And now he's a size -1.
Substitute ready for Jump Street. Oh! It's welcome back water.
Pants in this dojo. Oh!
Almost.
Okay, settle.
25-year-old Caitlin Miller. Let's hope she can fix Smallsy's appendage.
Oh!
Big boss.
Yeah, you might want to point those the other way. Oh, boy. Caitlin's gone missing. Don't forget to get your back stamp. Oh, double stamp night. Oh, looking a bit dodgy in the old pork chopper. Oh, he is a cheeky little beastie, isn't he?
A wannabe pop star, Ashley Lopez.
Cool. You mean Alo from the block that she shouldn't be standing next to? Oh,
Correct.
a singer that wants to go pop, huh? No problem.
Come on, Alo.
No. You're an ice queen. Let me drop the puck for the face-off.
Game on.
Oh, off her skates. Up again.
Ooh. Ice queen going for the head trick. Oh, the ice queen ends the game with a beautiful one-timer. There was John. I can't believe I just screamed like a girl. Don't. Brandy. I thought that lion was asleep. Hartman. Kayla. I didn't know my leg could do that. Thornton.
Up ahead, it looks like 19-year-old John Pineda is killing it on the tongue twister.
Off the bat.
Come on, Matt. You want those new teeth, don't you?
2 players, and one was a lion.
John, Samantha's not going to give up here. She's a soccer star, scores a goal almost every game, and it looks like she's doing a good job here staying on side.
Ref, that was merciful. Well, no, actually, I guess we're being honest.
Oh!
Whoa! Wipeout in life echoes in eternity.
This 24-year-old Ashley McClure.
And what have you got exactly?
Oh.
Okay. Ashley, you need to go up to the next level.
Wait, where I got?
Not there.
Ow.
Wait, where I got?
Yes, there. Do that again. No, not that part. Oh!
Just one more time. You got it.
I don't think she's getting it all, Jill. Oh!
But she is.
Fourth time's a charm. Or is it fifth?
Pink Conquistador going after the two things he needs most, victory and attention.
have to keep moving.
I don't know if they know there's a platform over here you have to jump to.
Is this fun or what? Hey, are we having fun here? What are you talking about? Let's go, let's go.
Wow, between Roach Coach and Pink Conquistador, we are one chicken bucket away from the weirdest picnic ever.
You have to jump on the... You have to jump over here.
Pink Conquistador seizing a window of opportunity. Yes, a bold leap, battling to be the first man through.
Get up there, Hugo. Hold on, hold on.
Pink Conquistador stuck on his back and just a few feet from his destination.
Can he do it for the Nina, the Pinta, the Santa Maria? Oh!
Oh my gosh, that was such a good effort.
Self-promoter's been doing laps around the club on that sweeper.
Oh!
No.
Pink Conquistador pausing to admire the view.
Can see myself. Donna! I'm home!
And it's time for everyone's favorite mid-game game show, Excited or Clinically Insane. The answer's both. Also, way ahead and not sure where he is.
Okay.
Not sure it matters as he takes off to explore the city by helicopter.
He is looking much like an early Christopher Columbus. Columbus? One of those.
And just like Columbus, he does not land where he's supposed to.
Let's try one more time.
That's courage.
I've never been this afraid of my life.
That's not. The zombies are raining men on Zombie Killer, but they don't seem very effective. It's almost like they're giving him a hand.
Come on, guys, follow me.
It's easier said than done.
Main man scrunching as he gets blown out by the competition.
Soccer star throwing herself in from the sideline.
Ooh, getting serious now, Johnny. Pink Conquistador gets his ship together. Throw to the aft, approaches the helipad. He moors it, still has his sea legs, jumps, and he hits dry land.
Now he is clogging up the pipeline. Soccer star parks toxicologist has to remain airborne.
Can't feel my arm.
Here, try on.